Hello and welcome to Sloths Love to Read. This is Carrie Ann. Today we have an adorable story called Moonlight, the Halloween Cat, about a really adorable black cat. I love cats and I love black cats as well, especially as Halloween draws near. I hope you'll enjoy this wonderful story. Let's get started. Moonlight, the Halloween Cat by Cynthia Rylant. Moonlight loves the night. It is her favorite time. She walks soft and black over the grass, along the fences, through the trees. Moonlight loves all the nights, but Halloween is her favorite. Things are a little different. Pumpkins smile at her. Straw laps welcome her. And children are out. Moonlight loves children. She follows them, but they don't see her. She is black like the night. On Halloween, the moon is yellow and wide. Moonlight sits in a tree and watches it. Very late, the owls fly, and Moonlight watches them. And sometimes there's a rabbit. Moonlight walks the night. She sees lights going off in the houses. Now only pumpkins will shine. She sees racoons on porches. She sees stars in the pond. She sees a dog in its warm little bed. Moonlight is a Halloween cat. It is her favorite night of all. The pumpkins smile. The stars shine. And someone has dropped a candy, a treat for a Halloween cat. Oh, what an adorable story Moonlight, the Halloween Cat is. This is such a wonderful story. I hope that you'll check this book out at your library or at your school, or check it out on Amazon. Also, check out our books on Amazon as well, or you can check them out on slothdreamsbooks.com. We have an entire fall collection. I hope that you've enjoyed this story today, Moonlight, the Halloween Cat by Cynthia Rylant. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and bye-bye for now.